Good morning, everybody. It is 6:15 in the morning. It is July 30th. It's Thursday, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's going on around the nation, guys. We do have some thunderstorms up here in Montana, and it looks like it's around the Bureau of Land Management area, just south of Nashua, and it is packing 30-mile-an-hour winds and 3/4 inch hail. And south of that, guys, and around the Forsyth area, you guys are having some thunderstorms, nothing severe. And then we get down here to around, looks like here in Nebraska from Ogallala all the way to Ainsworth and Spencer, O'Neill area, you guys have some thunderstorms as well. And then we have this line in Kansas. Looks like it's going from Marysville to around Topeka, Manhattan area, all the way down to Eureka. And we'll go ahead and put that in motion. And it is moving to the east right now, as well as down here in the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma. Other than that, we'll get down here to the Florida and panhandle area around Panama City, guys. If you're off the coast here of Port St. Joe, I believe, and Carabel, you see this in the blue here. You do have a special marine warning, and it looks like we got 40-knot winds, high waves, and heavy rainfall. So make sure if you're on this boat here, out here in the ocean, guys, wear your life vest. We also have some thunderstorms around the Cedar Keys, Cross City area, and we do have a special weather statement with 50-mile-an-hour winds. And then, of course, down here in and around the Bradenton, looks like Mayaca City and Sarasota, you guys have some thunderstorms in that area as well. We also have a special marine warning down here right off St. Augustine. Again, I'm going to check this out, guys. I just hadn't seen this one here. It looks like you guys are going to have 30-knot winds out there as well. Other than that, that is what is going on currently around the nation. We'll see what's going on in and around Chester. We do have clear skies, temperatures at 67. It feels like 68. The wind speed is at 5 miles an hour. The humidity is at 90%. Guys, it is going to be clear today, and probably after 3 o'clock we'll go to partly cloudy skies. Our temps for today are going to be around 86 to 90 in the Randolph County area, with our lows in around looks like 69 and 71 there in Prairie Rocher, 70 here in Chester. Other than that, guys, we are going to go ahead and get to our SPC outlook real quick. We do have a fire watch up here in Washington going through northern Idaho and the western part of Montana. And we have extreme heat watch right in around the eastern part of Montana currently. Other than that, we do have some air quality issues in the Idaho, looks like Oregon area. And then we do have the heat advisories and heat warnings from Los Angeles to Salt Lake to Phoenix. And it looks like the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma all the way to around Jacksonville, Florida. So that's what we got going on for today. In Denver, you are also having some air quality issues. Other than that, guys, we are going to look at our SPC outlook for today. And it looks like anywhere from Idaho down to Arizona to northern Wisconsin, all the way down here to New Orleans. If you're in this light area, guys, going down into Florida, you guys will be in general thunder, as well as the New England, the northeast area, just general thunderstorms. Our severe risk will be around Harve in Montana, going all the way to International Falls up here, down to Kansas City and the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma for today. Our severe risk is going to be around Pierre in South Dakota, all the way to around Kearney, and that is it. There is not a tornado risk, and our wind risk is going to be in the same areas as our severe risk in and around the panhandle of Florida. Looks like the southern part of Alabama, going all the way to Jacksonville here in Florida, which is a 5% as far as your wind risk. And of course, anywhere from Harve to International Falls, Kansas City, and the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, you guys will be in that 5%, with the 15% risk from Pierre, South Dakota, all the way down to Kearney, Nebraska. Other than that, our hail risk will be 5%, and that's going to be from Harv, it looks like, going to Rapid City, all the way down to Clayton here in New Mexico, and that's at 5% as far as your hail risk. Other than that, guys, that is all I got. If you like what you see here and you want some of these radars and outlooks and whatever you want, we got model satellite observations, outlooks, radars, you name it, all here on the Weatherfront weather app, and it's your one-stop shop for weather data. You can get this on Android, although it says coming soon. It's got a early launch, and it is in the Google Play Store, and you can get it and download it on your Apple iOS, as well as you can launch it on the browser. Guys, you can get your current temperatures, humidity, you name it, it's got everything. Other than that, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning, and we'll take a look at what the weather's going to look like. And I believe we're going to have some rain, a line of storms coming through tomorrow, but we'll take a look. Have a good rest of your day.